I've told you yesterday, right? To just fill up the other links in the list, the movie names which we have seen yesterday. So I guess Sandeep has done it. Sandeep, shall I go ahead and run your file to see how you have done? Okay. Yeah, that's what we have discussed on, like, a little highs and then this what. Okay, I'm going ahead and sharing my screen here. It's really fun running each and everything. Thank you. Thank you. It's a real good job, man. It's a really good job. Fantastic. Great. Nice. Appreciate that. Yeah, I'm so happy that you got this right, and that's because of me. So that makes me real happy. Well, fantastic. Yeah, not a problem. Not a problem. Yeah, just this is just fine. Like, this is really cool. Images goes to Google Drive. Yeah, great. So this is the first file. So I'll tell you one thing here. Like, if you wanted to see what HTML is written in a website, so you can just right click it and see. You can see it here. View page source. Okay. So click on it and see here. You'll find it. You'll find something interesting. See, Sandeep has made mistakes here. So you can see it here. Whatever in red color. Okay. Can you see it here? That's a mistake. It says it says that's a mistake. But whatever in the blue colors, they're really cool. They're fine. So let's see what Sandeep has had made a mistake. Where did he make a mistake? Can you spot it, Arun? If you can see it, Sandeep, can you at least spot it? What mistake you have done? It's not a mistake, I say. No? Okay, I'll just give you guys a website which validates your HTML. It's called W3C Validator. Okay, let's just go there. Google.co.in. I said W3C Validator. So you can see here the first link itself. It's a validator. So it says, hey, what you have written, but I don't think we can check my local file. Yeah, validate by file upload. I'll just browse it. Let's go to Tutoslive, assignments, Sandeep's first file. So I say check. It says 2 errors and 4 warnings. So there are 2 errors. Now let's see what are those errors. They are not typical errors, but just pretty small. So that's the reason I tell you guys every time. Every time you open a tag, just close it. Sandeep, you forgot to close the anchor tag here. That's the first mistake. See here, the anchor tag. Anchor tag is not just a single tag. It's just like li. It has an open tag and close tag. So here, just close them. I save them. So now again, oops. So I'll just go here and I refresh. Now you see the red color has gone now. See? Cool. Right. So there's one more mistake. Where's the mistake? It says P is a mistake and body is a mistake. I don't think that's a mistake, but let's go ahead and quickly correct it. So again, the doc type starts with exclamation, all caps, doc type. You gotta give HTML. So this is one mistake. And then title, awesome. Where did you learn this title? I did not speak about title, but cool. That makes really good for you. So then coming to the BR, yeah, BR is an open tag. It's not. It's just standalone tag, and always make sure that it's standalone tags self close, single tags. Okay. Then coming here, UL is okay, absolutely fine, and inside the P you have written the UL. Yeah, even that's fine. It's not a big deal. A text formatting blank. Well, let's see if it gets rectified or not. Okay, yeah, it should work. Now let's see. Come here. I refresh this. Now you see there's one mistake here. It says the P tag is open somewhere. Okay, I got it. Let's see. This is a P. Is a UL, li closed, BRP. This should work, but what's the reason for this not being working? Let's see. Is there any P open here? P open here. Body here. Body here. So that's not actually an error. It says we cannot use the UL tag inside the P tag. So let's just remove here. I'll close the P instead here, and I say instead of BR, let me take out this BR, take this little text here, paste it here. Now let's see what happens. So this is how our new code looks like. We have got the following topics: introduction, basic tags, images, links, list, blah blah blah. So now let me go to the source code. Here the source code, refresh, everything's perfectly fine. See here, but no need to worry if there are mistakes. My mistakes are not actually shown in the browser, so it just reads like that. But still, it's always a better practice to have a clean markup. So markup, I say clean tags. So this whole thing is markup because it's a mixture of tags and content, right? So yeah, Sandeep, good job. So make sure you just practice the tags and use this particular website. Like, see now let's say let's again upload this assignment one, and let's where are you check? Uh, where's this check? I go here. So check. Now let's check it. Still there is one error. I guess the one error may be character encoding. Also, that's not it. That's not an error actually. Okay. UL tag cannot be between P. Yeah. So UL is a block level tag, and P is a block level tag. Even I don't understand seriously what problem it got there. Let me just type again this particular UL. So let's say here li. So let me just say, let me write this inside another paragraph. Now here, instead of spoiling that paragraph, let me say here are our students. I say, or say our peers. I won't call them students. I'll call them peers because they're all our friends. So inside this, let me write this. So the first guy, let's say Sandeep. Second is Arun. So let me put a BR here. It should seriously, it should work actually. Let's see how it goes well. It looks like so. It's good. Yeah, maybe we cannot use, maybe these two are like block level tags. P is a block level tag, and UL is a block level tag. Let me come back with the proper reasons, because I've never used a P tag. Seriously speaking, I don't use P tag. But yeah, I'll get back on that part, like what exactly be the reason, because as of my knowledge, like P and UL are both block level tags. So maybe they can't get in each other, but still we can use this UL inside a table. Yeah, table is again it's semi, like it can be block or it can be inline. Yeah, I'll check on that. I'll double check on that. So yeah, that's the first assignment which Sandeep has done. So that's cool. Great job. So let's go ahead and say try this. Yeah, again this is the same. So assignment 2 and assignment 1 are the same, but the Tutoslive may be different. Worked on it. Yeah, cool, great. Did nothing. What you did here, Sandeep? What you have done here? This is the same file. Yeah. Okay. Great. Well, and it doesn't make sense. Like I can write P inside li. It's the same because yeah, you did it. You did not. Yeah, well, I think like putting a P inside an li seriously doesn't make any sense, because li itself is about dividing them line by line, and P does the same thing. So I assume, like, putting a P inside an LI seriously doesn't make any sense. And at the same time, I seriously doubt this thing. I mean, why does it show as an error? I'll just check on that. Like, even I haven't tried that anytime, and even I don't check the code which I do. Yeah, cool, great. So yeah, that's what the assignment which Sandeep has done. Good job. So yeah, I'll just ask you guys to keep practicing. And Sandeep, coming to yesterday's class, we discussed about tables here. Tables are like, I'll just show the program which we have done, so you'll be fascinated, I guess. Like, that's real cool markup over there. So this is the tables. So yeah, this is what we have done yesterday. So you missed it. No worries. Again, I say, like, I don't know when can I get these videos, man. Seriously, there must be some other alternative, because I know I'll figure it out. So this is what we have done yesterday, Sandeep. The tables. So yeah, from today I'll give another tag called title tag. Let's see about the title tag, and just play with tables, and let's see what happens with tables. What else we can put inside a table. So that's what we see. Yeah, great. Now, so let me just open a new document here. So every time doc type starts with exclamation and all caps and HTML. Then comes HTML. I just close immediately. Then usual head tag, and then the body. Inside the body, let me put a heading H4. Let me use this time H4 tables. I say 2 because we discussed it yesterday. Okay, and the other thing I told was the title tag will be in the head. Inside the head, title is nothing but it gives the page a title. Like, this is really cool when we use title, because here, if I go here and let me close this source code. So you see here, this here it says HTML forms, whereas this is inbox 16 and PODILAP and some dots, and here assignment for 28th, and here Tutoslive here invalid. But coming to these two, what it does is, like, what's exactly doing is it's giving the file path. So this file is somewhere in users, Sagar P, desktop, Tutoslive, assignments, Sandeep, and the file name is tutoslive.html. So instead of showing this, which the information which is not relevant to me, let me give some meaningful names so that it displays on the top of this particular browser. So this is called title. This is title. So this is title. Tutoslive is the title of that page. Invalid markup validation of assignment.html W3C markup validator is the title of that web page. So title goes inside the head tag. Okay, and again it starts with an open tag title and a close tag title. And so whatever I type inside, so I say Tutoslive tables part 2. I save this. I save this inside Tutoslive. I say tables2.html. So let's go ahead and see what happens on the browser. So I go here and type in here. Now, oops, I said Tutoslive. It's not live. I'm sorry, it's Tutoslive. Cool. So you can see here the title. Now instead of some unscrambled or not relevant title, I now have a meaningful title. It says Tutoslive tables part 2. So that's the importance of title. Title is very important for web pages, because when Google index your pages, like say I go to Google and I type Facebook, let's say. Now you see here, this is the title of the Facebook page. Welcome to Facebook, login, sign up or learn more is the title. So Google, what Google really does is it fetches the title and shows us. Now if I click on Facebook, now let's see what title it has. See now here, Facebook. Oops. Yeah, actually it's a logged in what you say title. When I log in, that's the title. Now when I log out, see here now, welcome to Facebook, log in, sign up or learn more. So this is the importance of title is whenever Google displays results, it displays results as title. So title is really important. It's important and know. Then the second thing is regarding the Google indexing. So whenever Google shows me a result for a search string, it shows the title first, then the website URL. Now that's the importance of title. So yeah, that's good to go. And let me use an attribute here, align equal to center, and h4 is small for me. I mean, let me go ahead and use h3. Great. Go here, refresh. Yeah, this is better. So yeah, now let's go ahead and type give some tables here. So the table starts with a table tag. Every table has at least one row. So every row has a cell. It's called table data. So yesterday we discussed about comments on that. So I'll again say comments. I say table starts here. So this is a comment. This will not be shown on the browser, but this is for the programmers what you call readability. So whenever somebody sees here, they may assume like, hey, a table starts here. Now I say here table row starts here, our first row. Now you can see here, if I don't close it, it assumes that this whole of thing is a comment too. So as soon as let me see, as soon as it closes, yeah, it says okay, the comment has been ended here. So dude, there are no more comments after this tag, this particular symbol. Yeah, just close the comments. That's what it says. Now here, this is table element. And here I say, just for the sake of understanding, I won't be writing the comments anymore. So just to know what exactly the comments are. Tables first row ends here. So table ends here. So that's yeah, you got any questions? Just stop me here. You guys okay? I did nothing. I just discussed about the comments and great. So that's about comments. Comments is only for our readability, and I have discussed about the title. Title is to give some meaningful name to the web page and for Google too. Fine, fantastic. So now here in the TD, in the first TD, let me let's talk about images first. Okay, let me give an image here. What does an image has? Image has a source. As of now, let's give a source, and I'll give a border to just to make it a little beautiful. And yeah, let us give width. Let me give width in percentages. So let me give 30% width. So height being, say, let the height be height like 100%. I don't care. So, and I say images. Where do we have images here? Do we have images? Yeah, we have two images, but let me go ahead and download some images real quick. So what images do we download? Now you say, what images do we show? You guys tell me. What do you put as images? So let's go ahead and put some. My choice, yeah. I'll go ahead and put some cars in there. Okay, let's say cars. Images. So I don't want movie. Let me go ahead and put sports cars. Great. So what's this? Lamborghini. This is Audi. What? This is Corvette. I don't know. I'm just saying. I'm not very good at these cars. So let's just take how many we got here. So I go ahead and save them in images. Always remember, if you are downloading images, if you want to display on your web page, always put them in a folder. Name your choice. I don't say name is your choice. So I say car 1 and save.